Do you want to know how to add fonts to MS Word? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. To customize a document's appearance, you can introduce a new font style. You can download and install the font on your Windows system, which will make it accessible across all Microsoft 365 apps. Fonts are available as downloadable files from various online sources, including free font websites like DaFont. Additionally, fonts can be imported from external media such as CDs, DVDs, or a network provided by your organization. Both TrueType or .ttf and OpenType or .or font formats are compatible. You should ensure the font's source is reputable before downloading. Method 1. Add a new font. Obtain the font files, which may be delivered in compressed .zip folders. Within a single .zip folder, you might discover multiple font styles like light and heavy. If the fonts are in a .zip file, right-click the folder and select Extract to access the TrueType and OpenType font files. Choose the desired fonts, right-click and select Install. If a prompt appears asking for permission to modify your computer and you trust the font's origin, select Yes. The fonts you install will be listed in Word's font menu. Method 2. Alternative font installation methods. Fonts are stored in the C:/Windows/fonts directory. You can also install fonts by dragging them from their extracted folder directly into this directory, prompting Windows to install them automatically. To preview a font, navigate to the fonts directory. Right-click the font file and choose Preview. Method 3. View installed fonts. Access your installed fonts through the control panel. For that, open Control Panel using the search menu. Depending upon the version of Windows you are using, navigate to Control Panel then Fonts or Control Panel then Appearance and Personalization. Next, select Fonts. Once installed, your new font will be included in Word's font selection the next time you launch the application. And there you have it, the methods to add fonts to MS Word. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.